डॉक्टर, देखिए ना, ये मेरा बच्चा जब 8 महीने का था कितना गोलू मोलू था और अब 5 साल का हो गया है, कैसे सूख गया है। पेरेंट्स टेक आउट देयर फोन, शो मी द फोटोग्राफ्स, द ओल्ड फोटोग्राफ्स ऑफ द बेबी व्हेन ही वाज जस्ट अराउंड 6 months old. Chubby cheeks, thigh folds, round tummy, and then they look at their 5-year-old in the clinic who's running around and show me, देखो how thin he's become now. They ask me, कोई weight gain की तो medicine बता दीजिए डॉक्टर. The important thing to remember here is that chubby 1-year-old or even a 6-month-old is not supposed to look like a 5-year-old lean child. What does a 1-year-old do all day? Literally sitting, maybe standing a bit, and they are carried most of the time. So the energy in this child is being stored all the time, literally. And what does a 5-year-old do? Dancing, running, playing, jumping, climbing, talking. Their body has changed from a storage mode to an activity mode now. Let us think of it this way. If the car is parked, it stores fuel. But if the car moves about all day, it spends the petrol or the diesel in the car. Similarly, your child was like a parked car earlier, till 1 year of age. Now they've started moving about. So, most healthy children, when they start moving about, become thin anywhere from 1 to 7 years of age. Their arms become thin, the baby cheeks disappear, the tummy goes in, and here the parents get worried. If I ask the parents, is your child running, playing, jumping, very active, playful, never in the tired mode? Most of the parents reply, yes, my child is always active. At the end of the day, he doesn't get tired, but I get tired. And that's the answer to every parent. An active child is spending energy exactly like how a growing child would. But if your child has a poor height gain, poor weight gain, not appropriate to age, is lethargic, tired all the time, not active, has recurrent illnesses, then of course you need to show to your pediatrician. But if your child is active, playing, learning, jumping, running, and in general, a happy child, an active child, then you will not compare your 5-year-old to their baby photos. Because the goal is never to raise a chubby child. The goal is to raise a healthy child. Most of the times, the parents who call their child as weak is the strongest child on the playground. And what you actually need to compare is not your present child with their baby photos, but with actual smile on their face. A child who's running, active, playing about, happy, and simply being a child.